Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basic. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on Near Wallet application. So let's get started without further ado. Start off by launching open your Near Wallet mobile application and also make sure that you're inside the main homepage for your wallet. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Under settings, tap on General Settings. Under Select Your Language, tap the drop down and then select the language of your preference you would want to change to. Soon after that, you should be able to see your language change on Near Wallet. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.